My name is Sameer. I study in class 3. I am strong, smart and carefree.
Hi everyone, my name is Ruhi. I study in class 3. I'm intelligent, kind and carefree. Sameer, I'm feeling bored.
I have something interesting for you and the audiences. But first, can you what do you love doing in your free time?
I love to play with the ball in the garden.
That's interesting. I also have a video where we can see different children playing in the garden. Do you want to see it?
Why not, Sameer? Let's watch it.
Look at that girl. She's singing. Let's sing together.
Out in the garden each fine day, with my ball I like to play. I bounce my ball, I throw my ball, I catch my ball on each fine day.
Did you see that?
Aha! The girl was very happy.
Great. But Ruhi, what was the girl doing with the ball?
She was bouncing her ball.
Oh yes, she was bouncing the ball like this. This is bounce.
What else did she do with the ball?
She was throwing her ball. Oh yes, she was throwing the ball like this. This is throw.
After throwing the ball, she tried to catch it.
That's right, Ruhi. This is catch.
Playing with the ball is always fun.
I know.
Besides playing with the ball, what other games can we play outside?
We can play chess. Every time I go to the garden, I like to play chess.
Chase? What is that?
A game in which one in a dinner and tries to catch the runners by chasing them.
Oh, you mean Pakram Pakrai?
Pakram Pakrai?
Yes, we call this game Pakram Pakrai in our village.
Then there would be other names also.
Maybe. Friends, do you call Pakram Pakrai by any other name?
Now tell me, did you see anything special in the garden?
Yes, I saw something in the sky, flying very high, doesn't have any wings, but tied with a string.
In the sky, flying very high. Okay, might be an eagle. Oh, doesn't have any wings. Not a bird, not an eagle, no bird either.
Friends, can you guess it?
Tied to a string.
Okay, I get it. Tell me.
It's a kite.
Wow. Right, Sameer?
So, did you see anybody flying a kite?
Exactly. There was a boy who was flying a kite and he was also singing a song. Let's sing together. Out in the garden each fine day, with my kite I like to play. I tug my kite, I pull my kite, I fly my kite on each fine day.
It's amazing to see kites flying away.
Do you think it's very easy?
No, it requires lots of practice.
You can also take a look at the poem in the Class 3 NCERT English textbook.
Right, it's in chapter 4. Let's check it out. Can you tell me what was the boy doing with his kite?
He was tugging his kite.
This is tug.
What else did he do with his kite?
He was pulling his kite. Oh yes, this is pull.
Doing this, he was able to fly his kite.
That's right, Ruhi. This is fly.
Flying kites is so much fun.
Yes, but it's not so common these days.
We only fly kites on special occasions
like Makar Sankranti, Independence Day,
also on Raksha Bandhan.
Do you prefer fly kites or simply watching others do it?
Well, it's interesting both ways. It's time to look at some more games. Let's look one by one and try to identify them.
What do you see here?
I see two teams of children holding one rope. They are not just holding, I hope. No, looks like they're trying to pull it towards themselves.
Have you seen this game somewhere?
Yes, in my school on sports day.
Then how to play it?
There are two teams on the either side of the mark point of the rope. The team that takes the mark point towards their side wins. Yes, it is tug of war. But in my school, they call it Rasakashi.
Right, there may be other names of the same game.
Friends, what do you call this game in your mother tongue?
But for now, let's move on to the next game.
Wow, I have played with it. I know how to make it. Okay. Tell our friends, take any bottle cap that is small inside. Make 2 holes in the cap. Take a strong thread and put it through one hole of the cap. Then take the other end and pierce it through the other hole. Tie both loose ends together and start spinning it.
So, what do you call it?
I call it a spinner.
Like this, there are some more games that our parents and grandparents used to play, but we don't play them nowadays.
Maybe that is the reason I was not able to identify some of the games.
Friends, can you help us to find out the games shown here?
Now tell me, Sameer, what can happen if you are not careful while playing outside?
If we are not careful, we can fall and hurt ourselves. We should not climb trees and jump over the walls.
Okay, great. But tell me one more thing. What kind of food should we eat?
We should eat good food
And
and healthy food.
we should eat good and healthy food.
Why are you saying and?
I'm saying this as it is also to add items to a list. Say it with me. Run and skip.
Run and skip.
Okay, let's play a game. I'll say a word and you have to add another word and add and. Like if I say give, you will say
Wait, I'm thinking. Give and take.
wow, Sameer, you have become intelligent. Slide.
Slide and swing.
Okay, Sameer, I just want to ask you something.
And what is it?
If I'm just back from the garden and I wash my hands, is that a good habit or not?
Yes, it is a good habit.
We must always clean ourselves after playing.
Now tell me, whom do you play with?
With my friends and siblings.
But what if there's no one to play with? Would you like to have a companion?
That's a good idea, Sameer. But how to arrange a companion or a player?
You don't need to arrange one. You can make one.
How?
By making a puppet.
Why could not I think about it?
Don't worry, I'm here for you.
But how to make a puppet to play with?
We can make a puppet from a paper bag.
Oh, you mean best out of waste.
Clever girl.
But from where did you learn to make it?
The whole process of making a paper bag puppet is given on the page number 43 in the Sandhu textbook for class 3.
Oh, I see.
Okay, let's tell our friends how to make a paper bag puppet.
But what do we require to make a paper bag puppet?
Would you like to guess the material?
Okay. I think the first thing we will require is a paper bag.
Right. But what kind of paper bag?
Any spare paper bag?
Correct. Any spare or used paper bag will work. But it should have a base.
What else do we require?
Besides this, we need a pencil, color pencils or a sketch pen, a woolen thread and gum.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 5 items.
Yes, just these 5.
Okay, let's see how to make one.
Take the used paper bag with the base.
Now, fold the base upward like this.
Now, fold it upside down with the handle downwards.
Like this?
Yes, keep it inverted.
Done. Now what?
Now imagine this is the body of the puppet. Take a sketch pen and draw the upper lip on the line of the flap of the base.
Done. What next?
Now you tell me what is remaining.
Eyes and head.
Then draw them.
Here are 2 eyes with eyelashes. But only face wouldn't be enough. It's time for more finishing.
It is your puppet. You can decorate it as per your wish. Show me the puppet you have made.
Sure, but first chant that mantra.
Abracadabra tantara. Oh, don't show it as a drawing. Hold it as a puppet.
Like a puppet? How?
Just slide your hand into the bag.
Okay, then
Bend your finger inside the bag.
wow, Sameer, this is amazing.
I know.
Look, I can make my puppet talk. Baba, mama, baba.
What is it saying?
It is not speaking, it's singing.
What is it singing?
The poem out in the garden.
Oh, let's sing together.
Out in the garden each fine day, with my ball I like to play. Out in the garden each fine day, with my ball I like to play.
I bounce my ball, I throw my ball, I catch my ball on each fine day.
Out in the garden each fine day, with my kite I like to play. Out in the garden each fine day, with my kite I like to play.
I tug my kite, I pull my kite, I fly my kite on each fine day.
Out in the garden each fine day, with my friends I like to play. Out in the garden each fine day, with my friends I like to play.
We run and skip, we jump and swing, we slide and swing on each fine day.